Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a peanut butter banana shake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of your favorite peanut butter, and 1 cup of milk, dairy or non-dairy. For a colder, thicker shake, add about 1/2 cup of ice. A touch of sweetness, like 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, is optional but highly recommended. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Carefully add the banana, peanut butter, milk, ice, and sweetener into your blender. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to prevent any spills. Blend on a high setting for about 30 to 60 seconds. You want a consistently smooth texture with no banana chunks or ice pieces remaining. Want to make your shake even better? Consider adding 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder for an extra boost, especially after a workout. For a hint of warmth, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon or vanilla extract works wonders. You can also adjust the thickness by adding more or less milk. Start with 3/4 of a cup for a very thick shake, or up to 1 1/4 cups for a thinner consistency. Your delicious peanut butter banana shake is now ready. Pour it into a tall glass and enjoy it right away for the best taste and texture. For a little extra flair, you can garnish it with a banana slice or a sprinkle of chopped peanuts on top. It's a fantastic, quick, and nutritious treat. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.